Hello, my name is Shivaji Desley and I have passed out MSc Statistics from Shivaji University in the year of 2008. Currently, I am working in Kotak Mahindra Bank as of Data Science Unit. Kotak Mahindra Bank is one of the leading private bank in India, and here we provide solutions like AI ML solutions across the customer life cycle, starting from boarding the customer till the collection and recoveries. So in short, we are a brain to the banking systems. We support across verticals and play a role of catalyst in all the verticals like sales, collection, credit, risk, customer service, and branch banking. So, Department of Statistics has produced a bunch of talent over the years, and you will find great examples across the sectors like banking, finance, insurance, e-com. I must say that department has a clear-cut and pristine think tank having a good vision. They know what to produce, how to produce. So one example, so I would like to give one example like today there is a too much buzz around AI ML, but Shivaji University and Department of Statistics started AI ML open sources technology in their curriculum and cultivated the culture of AI ML 10 years ago, and we can see the fruits now. So, something like that. I am one of them who has benefited out of that. They are calling their alumni for the guest lectures. They are involving their alumni in initiatives like one book, one alumni, which has doubled the inventory of library, which is customized library only for a stat department and stat researchers. So dedicated library, the inventory is doubled just by one small initiative. That's the kind of association that we all alumni have with this department. So if one thing comes to mind when we talk about Shivaji University is a statue double just by one small initiative. That's the kind of association that we all alumni have with this department. So if one thing comes to mind when we talk about Shivaji University is a statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in front of heritage building, surrounded by a beautiful nature across 850 acres of the land. And Shivaji University has produced a bunch of talent I already mentioned. If you go and search the website of Shivaji University, you will find the talents across all the sectors available, and you will find the leading examples surrounded by schemes like Earn and Learn, where the students from middle class families are beneficiated. I am one of the such example where I was working Earn and Learn scheme in department itself. So it makes big difference to the middle class families. The university also provides hostel facilities best in class with reasonable fees. Even the fees you can't imagine in this kind of situation. The fees are so reasonable. In all, I'm very fortunate to be a part of Shivaji University, and I really thank you all the supports, teaching supports and non-teaching support from Shivaji University, and I'm proud of that. I am proud that I am from the Shivaji University. Thank you very much.